Hello and welcome to Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. So today on Chef Carter's Cooking Corner, I'm going to be making a puffy omelet. Have you ever heard of a puffy omelet? Puffy omelets are really good. I'm going to show you what it is if you don't know. This is a puffy omelet. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is whip up the egg whites. Alright, so we don't want to overmix them. And so, yep, we got stiff peaks here. Alright, so I'm going to stop right there. Now in this bowl, we are going to add sugar. Put this right here to rest. About a spoonful of sugar and vanilla. And we want a dash of salt. Alright, now we're going to whip these up. Okay, so you want to whip those up until they look lemony yellow. Alright, now without wasting time, we're going to put this in there. Alright, so got my handy dandy spatula. Alright, so now I'm going to fold this together, up and under, or up and over. Helps if you have a real bowl and not using this. Okay, so they're pretty much incorporated now. You can have some white in there, that's fine. Now what I'm going to do is take it to my skillet. Alright, so here's my skillet. I got a little butter in here. Alright, now once you get your butter spread around, you put your omelet mixture in here. Now, if your oven takes longer than mine to heat up, you definitely want to start it before you start whipping your egg whites, because you don't want your egg whites to sit too long and wait. Alright, so we'll let that cook for about 3 or so minutes. Alright. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and move my skillet into my oven. Alright, so it took about 5 minutes in the oven. So now, what I'm going to do, and how you know it's done is it will pull away from the sides, and the sides will be brown. So a little bit less than half, you want to go across with your spatula like that. And then we're going to take it out of the pan and carefully move it to our serving plate. Okay, just like that. Let me get this pan out of the way. Ooh, it's hot, so be careful. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have some strawberries that's been macerating, which means they've been sitting in sugar, and I'm going to fill this up with my strawberries. Mint and strawberries go well together. They go so good together. I'm going to cover this with whipped topping. Okay, now we have that. We're going to fold it in half, like so. See how beautiful that is? Alright, and so then, for presentation's sake, a dollop of cream on the top. I'm also going to put a little bit of cream here and here. Okay, maybe a mint leaf or two sticking out so you know there's mint in there as well. Alright, then we're going to coat it in powdered sugar. Okay, I'm going to move this more to the center of the plate. Alright, let me get my powdered sugar. Alright, so powdered sugar on top. Isn't that pretty? Maybe not too much though. Alright, since I covered my mint leaves, maybe a couple more sprigs of mint. And then the piece de resistance. You can have this either for breakfast or a dessert. Now, this is something I would serve to Prince. If I had the opportunity to cook for him, this is what I would serve him. As you can see, it's a beautiful presentation. It was very simple. Anyone can make this. I hope you do attempt to make this omelet. It's very simple as long as you follow step-by-step directions. Okay, so it's after I've taken the pictures and I thought maybe you'd want to see the cross-section of this. This is such a beautiful dessert or breakfast. Can you imagine your loved one serving you this for breakfast? Ah. I would be in love forever. Alright, well thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for stopping by.